Hello watch people, we are back. I'm Nelson. Today we are going to unbox Seiko 5 SNKE07K1. Seiko is perhaps known for making reliable and affordable watches that will last for a long time. As Seiko popularity has grown, Seiko has more than 1,000 models to choose. But which one should you choose? Today, we are going to look closer at one of the Seiko watches collection, Seiko 5 SNKE07K1. It's a white dial. As mentioned, Seiko SNKE07 is a sporty watch. They have a day-date display in a single window, water-resistant 50 meter, C2 back casing, with a legendary movement 7S26, diameter 38 mm, lug-to-lug 41 mm, recessed crown at 4 o'clock position. This watch is very good looking and perfect to wear for all kinds of occasion. And I like the second marker engraved on it in black. Remind me of Rolex Explorer. Very durable casing and bracelet. Let's try on. My wrist is 6.5 inch. It wears beautifully on my wrist. It's a good looking watch. As usual, all Seiko 5 is durable, value for money, timeless, elegant design. You can't go wrong with Seiko 5. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.